Have you ever wondered if you could make money selling AI generated images? I sure did. About 5 months ago, I decided to make the plunge into the wild west of AI art and see what could happen. I really have no idea what I was getting myself into or if it would even be worthwhile. But I always loved creating art and technology, so combining the two seems like it could be an exciting adventure. Little did I know the ups and downs I was about to experience over the next few months. Let me start from the beginning. I started playing around with AI art generators like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Leonardo. I was blown away by what these tools could create with just a text prompt. So I started wondering, could I really sell these AI generated images and make some money? I decided to give it a shot. I generated a batch of 100 images using a variety of prompts. Then I started the process of uploading them to the stock photo sites like Adobe Stock, Wirestock, and 123RF. And after uploading the first 10 AI generated images, I made my first sale in just 20 days. The start was promising. But this was almost 5 months ago, so the question is, how is this experiment going right now? To clarify, I will show you the earnings from all the sites where I uploaded AI images. However, before I proceed, there are few things I would like to mention. For me, this is just an experiment, so I don't invest too much time and effort into it. However, if you decide that this can be a good side income for you, there are two main things you should know. My first advice is, it is important to understand that not all stock photo platforms accept AI generated images. Additionally, even if the platform allows AI images, you still need to label them as AI image or made by generative AI to provide transparency. So your choice of stock sites is quite limited. The second piece of advice is that the review process of AI generated images is longer compared to traditional photography. Typically, it takes 1 to 3 months for AI images to undergo review. So try to upload as many images as possible at the same time. Now, let's discuss the platforms I use to upload my content. I have chosen only four: Adobe Stock, 123RF, Freepik, and Wirestock. While all of these sites offer non-exclusive licenses for your images, which means you can upload the same image on other sites, I have uploaded different images on each platform. And here are the results. So first take a look at Wirestock. To provide an explanation, it is important to understand that Wirestock is a service that enables users to upload their images or photos to multiple marketplaces using their platform. However, since Wirestock actively forces its users to upgrade to the premium plan, you can only upload a limited number of images for free each month through their service. And I don't like the idea of paying a monthly subscription and also having to pay fees for the purchases of my images at the same time. So I have only uploaded 20 images here and have earned just $1 from the referral sales under my account. The next platform I'm using is 123RF. On this platform, I have the highest number of uploaded images, with 214 being accepted on this marketplace. What I like about 123RF is that the AI images are reviewed within a few days, which is great. However, the sales power of this marketplace is not the biggest. So out of 214 AI images that were uploaded, people downloaded 4 of them, and I have made 86 cents. Now, let's talk about Freepik. I enjoy using this platform, even though I only have around 100 published AI images. It is satisfying to see that I have the highest number of downloads here. However, the rate of 4 or 5 cents per download is not the most favorable. However, I highly recommend this platform because there is a definitely high demand for AI work. So, out of the 100 AI images, People downloaded 23 of them and I made €1. The last platform I use is Adobe Stock, the number one platform for anyone who wants to sell AI images. However, it is important to be aware that the review process can take around 3 months and they only accept high quality AI illustration. And my earnings? So, out of the 95 AI images, people downloaded just 4 of them. But I have made $7.50, which is great. But anyone who sells photos on stock photo sites knows that earnings are directly related to the quantity of their portfolio. The more photos or images you have, the higher your potential earnings. To achieve higher earnings, I must upload 100 times more images. This can be a huge task, even with the use of AI image generators. Since I see that this can work, I will make an effort to upload more AI generated images shortly. So, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel to watch similar content.